So when I'm naming a circle, I put a dot with a little circle around it, and I put the center of the circle. So if they tell you that that is circle P, what they're telling you is that that point P is the center of the circle, okay? If they name it with another letter, or they just name it something else, and then that's what you think is the center might not be the center. You can't conclude that. But you can conclude that P is the center of the circle. Now let's look at radius. Radius is the distance between the center and the edge of any point on the edge of the circle. Any point on the circle. Okay? How many radii, which is what the plural for radius is, how many are there depicted in this picture? The radius I see is AP, PD, and the letters can go in any order. PF, PE, PB, and PC. I missed PC. And they all have segment lines because they're segments. They start at the center of the circle and they end at the edge of the circle. Does everybody understand that? Pretty easy? And you're going to name every one if they ask you to name every one. All right? The diameter is a chord that goes through the center and connects 2 points on the circle. So the diameter is all the way across. How many diameters do you see in this picture? So a chord connects 2 points on a circle. It does not have to go through the center, but it can go through the center. So any diameter is a chord. Okay, so the diameters AD and BC connect 2 points on the circle. What other chord is there depicted in this picture? HG. If AP equals 6, what is the measurement of PF? 6, because all the radius have the same measurement. So when you're taking ACT, SAT, remember that whenever you see a line from the center to the edge, if you know one of the dimensions, you know all of those dimensions, okay? What is the measurement of BC then?
Twice that.
12.
Twice that, which would be 12. What is the conclusion that I can make from the relationship between a diameter and the radius?
Half.
The radius is half the diameter,
Yep.
and the diameter is twice the radius. You understand that? There's a right triangle in the circle. This is something you're going to learn a little later in this chapter. But if a triangle is created inside a circle and one of the sides is the diameter, it's a right triangle. There's no other way to do it. You're going to learn why that is later, so don't worry about it right now. Can somebody tell me what to do to find the length of the diameter? What do you do?
4 times.
Pythagorean theorem. Very good. You do 4 squared plus 3 squared equals c squared. That's 16 plus 9 equals c squared. 25 equals c squared. C equals the square root of 25, which is 5. So this side here is 5. Does anybody remember the formula for circumference?
Something
Or
2 r
pi.
Very good. It's 2r pi, 2 pi r you're going to see. Or what is 2 times the radius equal? Diameter times pi. Do we know the diameter?
Yeah.
We just found it. So it's 5 pi. For me, you're going to gunk a pi. You're not going to put the pi in the calculator.
3.15.
You're not going to put that in the calculator. You're just going to gunk a pi. Your answer is 5 pi. What do I know about a square?
It has 4 sides.
It has 4 sides.
It's also always even.
And all the sides are equal. So if all the sides are equal, what is the length of each side of a square with an area of 16? It is 4. Very good. So I'm going to do that is 4, that is 4, that is 4, and that is 4. Everybody know that about a square?
Yeah.
So in order for me to find the circumference, I need the diameter of that circle. So if I were to draw a line from here to here, how long would that line be? 4. So the circumference is 4 pi. You just gunk a pi.